Hey everyone, my name is Areeb and I'm behind this channel, so welcome to Scenic Restorations. I'm really glad you found my channel because what we cover here is something I genuinely believe more people need to see. We live in a time where it's easy to feel like the damage done to nature is just permanent. Coastlines eroding, wetlands drained, forests stripped bare, and most of what we see in news only reinforces that feeling. But that's not the whole story. Not all of it, not even close. Scenic restorations exist to show you the other half. The part where the land comes back, where rivers breathe again, where wildlife returns to places we had completely written off. We're talking about real, documented restoration projects happening right now, all over the world. Degraded landscapes being rewindled, coral reefs being rebuilt reef by reef. River systems are coming back to life after dams come down. Grasslands returning after decades of overuse. These aren't good felt myths. They're verified on-the-ground results backed by science. So every video on this channel, I make it through thorough research. We go through conservation studies, ecological surveys, and field documentation to make sure what we're sharing with you is accurate and honest. All the footage and audio that I use are either properly licensed or included under fair use for educational purposes on YouTube. My goal with this channel is simple, to show you what's actually possible when land is protected, when ecosystems are given room to recover, and when people commit working with nature rather than against it. Because here's what I've come to believe after digging into all of this. Nature is incredibly resilient. It wants to recover. It just needs the chance. If that resonates with you, stick around. Please subscribe to my channel. Turn on notifications so you don't miss a single restoration video that I post. There's a lot more to come, and I genuinely can't wait to see you in my next video.